The Mazda CX-7 alarm frequently activates due to issues with door hood switches, the key fob, or the receiver in the body control module. Start by inspecting door and hood switches for dirt, rust, or misalignment. Clean them with electrical contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease. Replace the key fob battery and attempt to reprogram it using the vehicle's onboard computer. Refer to your owner's manual or online guides for the specific sequence. If these steps don't work, a receiver reset is needed. This involves using an OBD2 scanner with Mazda-specific software to clear error codes and recalibrate the system. Many owners have found success with apps like Torque Pro and user-shared videos on platforms like Mazda's 247 and Reddit's r/Mazda. If basic resets don't resolve the Mazda CX-7 alarm issues, the problem may stem from a faulty body control module or deeper wiring problems. For more reliable fixes, consider aftermarket retrofit kits from companies like Bosch or Viper. These provide plug-and-play replacements for the original alarm receiver and can integrate with newer smart key systems to reduce false alarms. Before attempting any hardware replacements, ensure the vehicle's battery is disconnected to avoid electrical shorts and potential damage. If you're uncomfortable with electrical work or the problem continues after these fixes, seek help from a certified mechanic. They can perform comprehensive diagnostics, check for updated Mazda technical service bulletins, and ensure repairs are done properly to avoid voiding warranties or causing further damage.